What's the meaning of affirmatively? Affirmatively. 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 Affirmatively means in a positive, confirming or assertive manner. It is used to indicate agreement with a statement or proposition. When someone responds affirmatively to a question, it means they are saying yes or indicating their agreement with the statement. It can also be used to describe actions that support or confirm something. For example, a company might take affirmative steps to promote diversity and inclusion in hiring practices. Overall, affirmatively is a word used to denote positivity, agreement and confirmation.